Welcome to Travel Shots Live, where I bring you unedited, raw footage of all the places I travel. And as you can hear somebody sawing in the background, go figure, right when I start pressing the button. He quit. I am at an old Greek ancient amphitheater built in the hills of Lake Ohrid, Macedonia. I'm going to read to you this description, and then we're going to take a look at this place. This is going to blow your mind. Archaeological site. The ancient theater is located at the foot of the eastern slope of the higher hill of Ohrid under the Somalis fortress, or if I'm saying that right, near one of the main entrances in the fortified town of Porta, from where one captures the unforgettable view of the lake. I'll just sort of paraphrase, mountains that surround it. It was built more than 2 millennia, around the end of the 3rd or the beginning of the 2nd century in the period of late Hellenism, and was intended to display dramatic, musical, and poetic plays to lovers of art. Immediately after the Roman conquest of the region in 148 BC, the theater, possibly for an extremely short time, was adapted to the needs of the Roman way of life. The building was rearranged into a theater with an arena of gladiator battles and wild beast fights, with several of the lower row seats being demolished and several cages were built for the animals, and the orchestra with the honorable seats was enclosed by a firewall. The amphitheater was built later in the upper zone, which increased the capacity of the theater to 5,000 spectators. Long story short, they added on to it in 1999, 2001. Hold on. And then it says the stage of the open reconstructed area of the theater. For the last 20 centuries, drama and musical performances and various other manifestations were held. And they still do today. Let's take a look at it.
Oh, this is so sweet. Thank you so much.
Okay, here we go. Unbelievable. Look at this place. So the bottom area was built for animals, and they added on to it. But can you imagine? Look at this place, man. This was built by the Greeks and then transformed by the Romans. And people were fighting in here and screaming for gladiators. And they were killing animals and people, and now they just use it for performing arts. Unbelievable. It's pretty cool. Here's the view from here. As you can see, I imagine back in 200 BC, they had a clear view of this lake with the mountains. Not like we do now with all the houses in the middle. But this is truly amazing. Of course, the wall behind here is man-made. Well, it's all man-made, but the wall in the back is more modern. This is part of the old stuff. Oh, super, super, super. It is unbelievable. It is truly unbelievable. Like, you feel like you are definitely a part of the past when you walk through here. It's a whole new perspective of history and the lives that we live right now. Super fantastic. You can see the old walls. And of course they have a cafe, a bistro and wine bar overlooking everything. Ah, it's lovely. Well, this is gonna be a short and sweet video. Just wanted to show you this. This was a stop along the way to get to the fortress, which is where I'm heading next. So subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss any details of Lake Ohrid, Macedonia. Or don't, it's up to you, but subscribing is free. Like or don't like the video, I'm a big girl, I can take it. Drop me a comment, I will respond to you. I love comments. And share this video worldwide. Let's reach 100,000 people. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.